What we're trying to find in this video is the ratio of the lengths of corresponding sides if we have two similar polygons. In this case, we have ABCD similar to JKLM. Now, what we said in our lesson yesterday, that you keep the letters in order. So we know that side AB is the one that is similar to JK. So what they've given us here is a side length that says our length from A to B is 8 and our length from J to K is 12. So if we write that as a fraction, we can say that our side length AB is similar to JK, and they're giving us AB equals 8 and JK equals 12. If we reduce that fraction, we come up with 2/3 as our scale factor, or our ratio from one term to the next. So based on this information, they're telling us in this polygon that side length BC is 2 feet long. And we don't know what the side length for LK is, but we know that BC and KL are similar. So if we put KL here and we make our fraction, we have to be able to guess now our ratio is 2 to 3. So if our ratio from one to the other is 2 to 3, it's pretty clear that this side length right here is going to be 3 feet long. So we can put a 3 in there. Now let's say we're trying to figure out a length for MJ, which we don't know yet. So we have to go back to the original polygon and find the corresponding side, which is AD. M to J is the same as D to A. So here we are. These two side lengths are going to be similar because they are corresponding. So let's go back to our original ratio. Our ratio from figure 1 to figure 2 is 2 to 3. And if we know side length AD equals 4, and we're trying to find side length M to J, and we don't know what that is, now let's set up our ratio, which is what we were doing with cross products. So we have 2 to 3 is proportional to 4 over x. So 2x equals 12, and we're going to find that x equals 6. So we know for this side length up here that MJ is 6 feet long, and we can do that for all the sides. All we need to do in today's classwork is find the ratio of corresponding sides. So if we're given that the short side of this rectangle from B to C is 9, and we know that this length from L to K is 12, our ratio from A to B is going to be 9 to 12. And that's going to mean that we can reduce that to a 3 to 4 ratio. And that, you can see also, is the same ratio if we go from the other side, DC to KJ. That's 15 over 20. So all we have to do is find the ratio and then reduce it, and you'll find the answer to your problem.